Okay, good morning, everyone. So today's topic is national income and basic concepts related with the national income. As you know, national income can be defined as the net value of all final goods and services produced by a normal residence in the domestic territory of a country in an accounting year and adding net factor income from abroad. There are three methods for calculating national income, that is value added method, income method, and expenditure method. This value added method can be again called as production method. Now there are some concepts related with national income accounting. We have to first of all we have to know what it is. First one, how to make a gross to net. Difference between gross and net is depreciation. So in order to make a gross to net, we have to deduct depreciation, and to make from net to gross, we have to add depreciation. Then next concept is factor cost and market price. To make a factor cost from factor cost to market price, we have to deduct. We have to add NIT, net indirect tax, that is IT minus subsidy, indirect tax minus subsidy. In order to make a market price to factor cost, we have to deduct NIT, net indirect tax. These concepts in detail we have made another class. Again, I am concluding. Next concept is domestic income and national income. The difference between domestic income and national income is NFIA, net factor income from abroad. In order to make domestic to national, we have to add NFIA, and to make national to domestic, we have to deduct NFIA. NFIA is defined as income received from abroad and income paid to abroad. The difference between the income received and income paid to abroad. Now, first of all, we have to know what is domestic income. Domestic income is related with the territorial concepts. That is income earned within the domestic territory of a country, whereas national income means income earned by the residents of a country, whether it is from and outside. Now, suppose this yellow represents the Indians and blue represents the foreigners. The income earned from both are included in the domestic income, whereas one Indian is earning income from outside, it is we add in the national income. Now, what is the meaning of NFIA? Net factor income from abroad. It is the difference between factor income earned from abroad by the normal residents of a country and factor income earned by non-residents, that means foreigners in the domestic country. Or we can refer it as the difference between factor income received from the rest of the world and factor income paid to the rest of the world. NFIA can be positive, negative, or zero. When NFIA can be positive? When the income earned from abroad is greater than income paid to abroad, NFIA will be positive. When it will be negative? When the income earned from abroad is less than income paid, then it can be negative. Likewise, it can be zero when income earned from abroad is equal to income paid to abroad. Now, national income, in this regard, national income is equal to domestic income plus NFIA. So we can represent national income as NNPFC, net national product at factor cost. Likewise, domestic income as NDPFC, net domestic product at factor cost. Now we are moving to the small problem. That means you know that national income calculation is it's a Herculean task for some students. But when we know about the basics for the calculation of national income, very easy. Like some concepts, we are moving to the small step. Suppose NNPFC we have to find out national income. We have to find out GDP MP is given. How to make from GDP MP? How can we calculate national income? First one, G to net, gross to net. We know that in order to make a gross to net, we have to minus depreciation. Next one, we have domestic, D to N, domestic to national, we have to add NFIA. Next one, MP, market price we have to make it factor cost. In order to make a market price to factor cost, we have to minus NIT. So in this way, if GDP MP is given, we can make it as national income. Now we are moving to a numerical question, a simple one. Calculate national income. GDP MP 500, depreciation 200, indirect tax 100, subsidy 50, NFIA 20. Find out national income. We know that national income is NNPFC. NNPFC is equal to, what is given? GDP MP is given. GDP MP, now what we have to add, what we have to deduct. First one, G, gross to net. Gross to net, we have to minus depreciation. Next one, we have domestic. We have to make it national. We have to add NFIA. Next one, MP. Market price, we have a market price. We have to make it factor cost. What we have to do? We have to deduct NIT. That is IT minus subsidy. Now just substitute the numbers, the figures. GDP MP is equal to 500, depreciation 200, NFIA 20. Now NIT directly not given, but IT is given, subsidy is given. So in bracket you make IT minus subsidy, that is 100 minus 50. By doing this, calculating this, we will get the answer 270. So national income is 270. So this is a simple example. With this, we can move to a higher level. Now, another question. Sometimes national income is given. Find a depreciation. Suppose GDP MP is 1000, NFIA 200, NIT 300, NNPFC 500. Now find out depreciation. Now we know that NNPFC is equal to GDP MP minus depreciation plus NFIA minus NIT. Just to substitute the numbers, the figures, that is NNPFC is 500 is equal to 1000 minus. Depreciation is not given, so depreciation as it is, you write. Then 200 minus 300. Now take depreciation. By taking depreciation the left side, you will get the answers like this. That is depreciation is equal to 400. So in this way, we can find out the numerical. We can solve the numerical questions. I hope it's clear for you. Now next calculation, more numerical questions in the next video. Thank you.